Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl, and it is unboxing day. Got my Boxy Charm box, already a little opened. So, let's see what we got. Alright, so we got a little Valentine's Day for February. So pretty excited about that. Going after that first box. Alright. So this is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Love me a sleep mask. So that means I can leave this on overnight. I just read it. So that's really cool. This is plastic, which is good. That's really cool. It's got a little applicator. And smells like oranges. It smells so good. All right, let me gotta do a little bit. Feels good. All right, I am so excited to try this tonight. All right, so like I said, this is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. Unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. And this goes for $29. All right. So let's see what else we got. Oh, that feels really nice. All right. Got the St. Luxe limited edition liner duo. Let's see. All right. So little pinks. Always kind of nice to see that. Let's see. So we've got, Secret Admirer and Love Letter. Perfect Valentine's Day shades. All right. So this is a lip liner duo that makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting hydrating formula, liner smoothly glides on lips and blends with little no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. Actually, I do have some lip gloss on, but I kind of did neutral shades. So I think these might be a little... Okay, so that is Secret Admirer. Let's see what Love Letter looks like. So that's Love Letter, Secret Admirer. Yeah, it's not really just because of the lip gloss that I have on. Yeah. I mean, you can kind of see it a little bit, but yeah, I'll definitely have to try that without lip gloss on. These are actually a $40. $40. I don't know if I spend $40 on lip liner, but that's just me. I will definitely try these and let you guys know. This also does say that these are a new launch, so that is pretty exciting. All right, so next we have the Trisique Eye Duo. I already saw this, I have to admit, and this looks really, really cool. It's an eye mascara and an eye pencil. And you can actually see on the box, it actually has, this is actually a curler. So let me show you guys. First, let's look at the eye pencil out. I thought this was a little confusing. This is the cap. This is not. So this is the eyeliner. Black. And it is retractable, which is good because sometimes I don't always have my sharpener around, but there's also on the bottom a smudger. So Works really good. All right. So that'd be kind of cool to play with. All right. But this was what I was really interested in. So this is the mascara, but on the top, so you flip this down, eyelash curler on top of your mascara. How cool is that? So then of course you just twist and there's your mascara. They did give me the black, which I like. So this is the eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil is formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. The pencil glides on like liquid and provides pencil precision. $44. I'm actually kind of excited to try this. The only thing that I always wish for as far as my eyeliner and mascara is they're waterproof. And this doesn't say it is, so that's probably the only flaw I'll find. Next we have the Wander Beauty Getaway. This is actually a face and eye palette. So while we're opening this up, it's your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Enriched to blend hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So got a little mirror, which is always fun. So I did kind of swab these a little bit. So you got your blush, highlighter. These are actually very shimmery. That'd probably be a good base. Let's try. Yep. So very shimmery, very like summery. Yeah, I would probably do them as like summery colors. So that's exciting to try. $36 for this. And last but certainly not least, like I said, I already opened this box and this was kind of cool. I thought it was perfect Valentine's Day. So you have the Glamier. This is an eye brush collection. Look at, they are actually like little pink glitter hearts. How cute is that for Valentine's Day? Because I mean, granted Valentine's Day is over, but that's so cute. These are the pencils. So really good. Glittery, it's called Glamier Pink Luxe Glittery Eye Brush Collection. Glittery, enhancing, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic brushes bristles make blending easy and flawless. $29.95. And it does come with this little thing. And this is actually new. A new launch for the box. So yeah. These are all really cool. I have a brush problem. So kind of excited about these. Brush problem as far as I have an addiction. Kind of fun to play with this for the summer. But let's see what we got here. So we'll pull up. Pull up the calendar. Or the calculator, sorry guys. Alright, so 36 for the eye and face palette. 29 for the sleep mask. 44 for the mascara eye pencil duo. The eye brush collection, $29.95. And then last but not least, the lip liner duo is $40. So that makes it $178.95. So definitely more than enough of your money's worth in this box. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to play with all this stuff. And of course, can't wait till next month because this stuff is just really cool. I'm having so much fun playing with new products, and I know we're all kind of sitting at home and it's kind of like, well, what's the point in doing makeup? I'm actually having more fun playing with makeup now than I did before. So Boxy Charm, very cool. All right, guys. So on the comments below, let me know. Do you subscribe to Boxy Charm? Do you subscribe to another box? If you do Boxy Charm, did you get these same items, and which one has been your favorite so far? All right. So I will see you guys next time. Akuna Matata.